Hi, I'm Julie from Thermomix. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. We're making pink sushi rice by adding red cabbage to the rice water. By using the varoma above the rice, we're able to steam the greens whilst the rice cooks. The result is a lovely pink-purple sushi rice, and here we are just adding some seasoning and allowing the rice to cool a little. The rice gets divided amongst 4 bowls. Leafy greens added to one side of the bowl. Then various vegetables such as cucumber, avocado, wakame salad and pickled ginger are arranged around the outside of the bowl. We finish with some sashimi tuna, adding that to the centre and still allowing the rice to show through and making sure that all of our lovely vegetables are also able to be seen. Add sushi seasoning and your favourite salad dressing to finish the dish. If you'd like the complete recipe, go to Thermomix and whilst you're there, take a look at some of our other great recipes.